Dang it, lag.
Oh, crap. Now I fall.
Okay, I got him. Guys, who wants to visit the city with me?
Me. I want
Okay,
to.
go ahead. Do what you want. Dang. Now,
This city
everyone
looks kind of weird, bro. I don't know if I like it. Then down. Guys, what? Dude, how does mine? Dude, how?
Very.
Larry.
Him?
Who wants
Hey,
a
this
boombox?
world!
Who wants a boombox?
Weave.
Hey, you! Can you give
Who
me
wants a
a
boombox?
Weave.
Who wants a boombox?
Duke. Yeah, just keep running them in circles, bro. Keep running. Yo. Keep that moving. Yeah, keep that.
We did it, Blake. Oh, you got saved. They're just doing Why are they coming for me? Why are they coming for me? Don't try to friend me, okay? Open the door, open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Oh, there is someone here. Oh, hi. Kill me. Psych! Oh, crap! What did I do to you? Oh, crap. Hello there. Ah! Like, no.
Run. Are we gonna race?
I've got Sigma.
Indonesia.
That's not the code.
I believe in this game.
Oh dear Lord.
I believe in my music box in me. Williams. And reading. Go. Got it. Run! Gada chúng ta có phải bạn đã again.
You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Ready? There you
Good boy.
No. Where is he? Behind us.
Oh my gosh! It worked! There's about it, guys. There's something about it. It
I need to go O block.
Oh, clear!
Take the seat out.
They're coming. Like, buenas noches, my
Never play this game before.
I didn't mean to Yeah.
Who wants to be good?
Back like 2 years ago.
Oh my god!
I have too much plot armor, guys. I can't die.
Yeah.
Peter Donny crap! Peter Donny
Guys, I have too much plot armor.
Who wants this? Who wants this?
me, you're probably
Look at
wondering
that
how I ended up in
goofy
this
man.
situation. I have too much fun. We can't die. I just can't.
Hey!
Oh no, we're cooked. See, we're dead. Oh, we're fine. We're fine. I'm on ore farm. Hold on.
Midget. Why did I just hear Among Us? Guys, it just made an Among Us sound. Time to come turning.
Guys, I have too much
Can't get me. Try to get me. Monster, come here.
Hey,
I'm trying to
Alexander!
monster, big old
Oh,
battle jump.
Alexander!
Alexander's in the pool. You know the time. Go in the pool. Go.
Too much plot armor. Too much plot armor.
Open up. Open up. Open up. Nigga. People call me Little Jimmy. Hey, bro, guess what? People call me Little Jimmy.
Hey guys, guess what? I am the plot.
No, everyone call me Little Jimmy. Hi. Blood in that.
Wait, how
He's
is
right behind me, isn't he?
Oh, yeah.
Let the bad boy get the prisons. Let the bad boy get the prisons.
Oh my god, daughter murdered to a little boy. I'm sorry, my friend.
To be able
I don't have
to
one.
access into match
I swear to God, saving I just can't seem to die. I can't seem to just even die. It's not like I'm wishing for it. But I just have really good luck. That's my excuse for it. I just can't die. Yep, that's me. What did I say? I have so much plot armor.
job. How many boys in
Hey.
to take?
Yeah, sure.
No! The battle is in
He's
this
right
I'm gonna
behind
go
me
city,
because
guys.
of two.
I'm gonna go city. Why'd you close the door? Oh,
Hey guys.
wait, someone. Now let's try that. Oh, heck no! Oh, heck no! Oh, heck Damn shit. Damn shit. I got you, Tom. I got you. Really not.
You know that, right?
You
I
can-
cracked
you
the
can
code to
get-
the
you
Matrix. I
I
died.
hit you with a Red, close the door! Someone close the door! Die!
We died. And don't let them see. Be the good boy that they always wanted you to be. Conceal,
Don't let the
don't
bad
feel,
boys in,
don't
let the
let
bad boys
them
in.
know.
Pig!
I finally died.
Pig, look at this!
Daddy.
Oh yeah, this is not even working.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No,
I'm
no, no,
sorry.
Be respectful to
I'm
the king!
sorry. I'm sorry. Guys, I have the worst
Dude,
How's
do you
that
want to see a
game?
magic trick? You want to see a magic trick? One, two,
Look
three.
at that sun.
Okay.
I'm just gonna say it
Yeah,
now.
I'll
I
be right
have
Mr. Bean, give me some money! Yeah, give me some money! Why? Why did you have to bring the monster? Who brought the monster? Yeah, but who's gonna do it? Yes. His job was to kill people. Guys! Come on! Who's coming? Who's coming, dude? you do that? We're good. Listen. Follow me to city. Run, 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 run.
I have Murphy's Law. I'm James.
Jimmy slow. Well, Jimmy. I'm not slow. Actually, bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it tap the button.
The computer. I don't know where it is.
Somebody help.
Find out what. Just give me a second. Just leave. Just leave. Like,
Press it down. Just press the button. It's not hard. Y'all press the button. Press the button. The green button. Press it. Oh my god.
I'm gonna go to the. I'm gonna
Wow.
go inside.
You told your mom. You told your mom it was LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James.
Just stay indoors. I'm not near anyone now. I'm not.
Get truck. Get truck.
Okay, blue. Let's take.
I want to go for a
Deserve.
walk. You deserve to die.
Dang.
You deserve that.